I want you to understand something. Shaitan doesn't necessarily tell us to do the wrong thing. Shaitan wants us to take one step. If a destination is 1,000 miles away and you just took one step, you're not going to feel like you made any progress. If there's a fire 100 feet away and you took one step towards the fire, are you going to feel any hotter? No. I didn't do it. I didn't burn. Nothing bad happened. And he's okay with one step. He's completely okay with one step. And if somebody else says, hey, you're taking a step, I was like, what, did I touch the fire? I didn't touch it. There's nothing wrong with that. So he says, yeah, there's nothing wrong with it, just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then the next time around, just a little, one more step. Just one more step. That Shaitan beautified their deeds to them. This is one of the scariest ways he comes at us from the right. We came and prayed. That's a good thing. We did a good deed. People go to do Hajj. That's a good thing. People fasted. That's a good thing. But when you start thinking that your good deeds are absolutely accepted by Allah and you're all set, you have nothing to worry about now because you've done good deeds. Because you prayed, so you're a good person. Man, all those people who don't pray, I feel sorry for them. Because you're now in a better position because you did something good. And that he starts gassing you up with your good deeds. And he starts filling you with this false image of yourself that because you've done so much good, clearly you're amazing. Clearly Allah loves you.